Students, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes, and we are solving today ISI M.Math paper MMA1. So for 2025, and we have taken the question number 3. So it is given, suppose sec x plus tan x is equal to 3 for some values, then what will be my value for sin 2x? So now let us evaluate. So first we are having sec x plus tan x being 3 for some value. So we are to find sin 2x. We know that what is sin 2x? 2 sin x and then cos x. Okay. So we will use identity involving sec and tan. So now let's square both sides. So what we will do? Let's square both sides. So first sec x plus tan x square is 9. So then sec square x plus tan square x plus 2 sec x tan x is equals to 9. So we will use the identity. So using the identity, sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1 we know, or sec square x plus tan square x is equal to 2 sec square x minus 1. So 2 sec square x minus 1 plus 2 sec x tan x is equal to 9, or 2 sec square x plus 2 sec x tan x is equal to 10, or sec x tan x plus sec square x is equals to 5. So now let's assume that sec x is equal to a. So then tan x is equal to 3 minus a. So now I will substitute a square plus a 3 minus a is equals to 5, or a square plus 3a minus a square is equal to 5, or a is equals to 5 by 3, or sec x is equal to 5 by 3. So then cos x will be how much? So then my cos x will be 1 by sec x. So that is 1 by 5 by 3, or 3 by 5. So then sin x will be root under 1 minus cos square x. So that is 1 minus 9 by 25, or root under 16 by 25. So that is 4 by 5. Now we will compute sin 2x finally. That is the question. So sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. So that is 2 multiplied by 4 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 5. So that is 24 by 25. So my correct option will be option D.